Hey, Cosmo here. Just want to show you some quick tips that I've picked up from learning to draw from reference. Start off drawing really light and keeping the sketch really loose, and just so I can get basic form and thinking about ratios, and then start working on my midtones whilst thinking about it being a 3D model that I'm working on. And as I start getting happier with the line work that's the midtones, I then start leaning heavier on the pencil to start really defining those darker lines. I leave gaps for my light work to come in later on so we can get those nice and bright. As you can see, I then smudge the pencil work and then start leaning more into the pencil to get those darker tones in. I find the more I break things down into smaller sections, the easier they become. Rather than focusing on the entire picture that can feel a little bit daunting, you can focus on drawing that very specific section of the picture, and then it will then slowly become bigger form over time without you really thinking about the whole. Because I'm still very much learning to draw here, I'm not putting too much weight on making it exact replica. I'm keeping it nice and loose and I'm having fun and being creative with it. The reference is really there just to give me guide. Check out the Butterfly Conservation and follow for more creative stuff.